In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this immunity boosting orange smoothie. If today is your first time in this channel, you're very welcome. Please do consider hitting on the subscribe button and turning on your notification bell. And for my return subscribers, you're welcome back. So for this smoothie, you'll be needing some oranges, you will need lemon, some carrots, ginger, and some bananas. Maybe you'll be asking, what makes this smoothie really special? Yeah, it is special because it is healthy. This healthy smoothie is not just any old smoothie. Yeah, it's an immunity boosting smoothie. Sure, there are lots of delicious smoothie recipes out there, but many are designed simply to taste good. I chose each ingredient in this smoothie specifically for their immunity boosting properties. Now let's have a look at them. Carrot has the ability to boost your immune system. Both vitamin A and C found in carrots act as antioxidants and protect immune cells from free radical damage. Additionally, this carrot is a rich source of vitamin B6, which is not only necessary for an optimal immune response, but deficiency in this is also linked to weakened immune system. Ginger is used to help digestion, reduce nausea, and fight the flu and common cold. Additionally, gingerol, the active substance in fresh ginger, helps to lower your risk of infection. Okay, now this smoothie contains two citrus fruits, orange and lemon. Citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C, which is known to boost your immune system. They are also a great source of fiber. So now let's talk about bananas. Bananas are not only prebiotic food supporting gut health, they are high in vitamin B6. This vitamin is needed to keep the immune system functioning properly. So the next time you think about smoothie base, think about bananas. I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of honey. This is optional. Feel free to add any sweetener of your choice. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, share with your family and friends, and hit on that red subscribe button if you are yet to do so. I'd love to see you in my next video. Bye!